After months of delays, Josh Duggar's child pornography trial will get underway in just a matter of weeks. While the most important question, of course, is that of Josh's guilt or innocence, many others will be answered during the court proceedings. For example, we may finally find out if Josh is a registered sex offender, or why his guardians called 911 on the first night of his parole. And we might finally gain some insights into the deepening rift that seems to have left the Duggar family irrevocably divided. As we've reported several times in recent weeks, there seems to be a major feud between Anna Duggar and Josh's parents, Jim, Bob, and Michelle. Insiders say the two factions disagree on everything from Josh's legal strategy to the extent of his guilt. Sources close to the situation said that the bad blood between Anna and the rest of the Duggars has only worsened as Josh's trial date draws nearer. Neither party has spoken about the situation publicly, but fans have noticed that Anna and her 6 children appear to have been left out of all Duggar family events. Earlier this week, the family celebrated Labor Day with a trip to something called Farmland Adventures. Michelle posted pics from the occasion, which was attended by almost all of the Arkansas-based Duggars, and fans were quick to notice that Anna was not on hand. Quite a few of us made it out to Farmland Adventures and watched for a great day of family fun. Michelle captioned the picture, "It still feels like summer outside, but the giant corn maze sure did get us in the mood for fall." She continued, "The pumpkin patch, pony rides, farm animals, pig races, 9-acre maze, and play area, all made for some happy, tired kids and adults. Can't wait to go back. Making memories, happy Labor Day." Obviously, Jill Duggar wasn't present for the festivities, as she cut ties with her parents long ago. But the absence of Anna and her kids is interesting for a number of reasons, not the least of which is that she and her children still live on Jim, Bob, and Michelle's property. Remember those reports about Josh's kids living in a windowless shack on Jim, Bob, and Michelle's land? Well, apparently that hasn't changed. The only difference now is that Anna and her kids are persona non grata at all Duggar gatherings and functions. Anna is really struggling with Josh's arrest, and she's still at war with his parents Jim, Bob, and Michelle, a source close to the situation tells UK tabloid The Sunday. She still lives in the warehouse on Duggar land, but isn't particularly welcome at the main house at the moment, the insider adds. She has been pointing the finger at everyone else for what has happened to Josh. She's falling out with family members and isolating herself. Well, there's no denying that Josh's parents deserve some blame for the way he turned out. After all, they're the ones who helped him avoid prosecution following his earliest sex crimes. But eventually, Anna will have to come to terms with the fact that the only one who's really to blame for Josh's misdeeds is Josh himself.